Solve this exponential equation for x. In this equation, you can see an expression with x in this exponent and in this exponent. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove the x terms from each exponent, combine them, and then solve for x. With exponential equations, the most obvious way to take the x term out of the exponent is to take the logarithm of this expression, and in fact to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation. But you should look for ways of simplifying this process. Here's how. 27 can be rewritten as 3 cubed. So this entire expression is raised to the 2x minus 1 power, and the left side of the equation stays the same, 3 to the 4x minus 1. We can further simplify the term on the right to get 3, and here we multiply the two exponents, 3 to the 3 times the quantity 2x minus 1. And the term on the left stays the same, 3 to the 4x minus 1. Notice that with this form of the equation, both terms have the same base, 3. When you have an equation like this, simply create a new equation with just the exponents. So we get 4x minus 1 equals 3 times the quantity 2x minus 1. 4x minus 1, and here we distribute the 3 to the two terms in parentheses, 6x minus 3. We subtract 6x from both sides of the equation, minus 6x, minus 6x. This will get the x terms on the left side, so we get negative 2x minus 1 equals negative 3. We add 1 to both sides of the equation to get negative 2x equals negative 2. Now we divide both sides by negative 2 to get x equals 1. When solving exponential equations, look for ways of rewriting expressions so that they have a common base. When you do that, you can write a new equation using just the exponents.